students to the next video of straight line. Previously we had seen that definition of straight line, then we had seen the slope of a straight line, then condition for perpendicular lines and parallel lines, and example based on slope of a straight line and condition of perpendicular and parallel lines. Now today we are going to start the equation of a straight line. Okay, so let's start with equations of a straight line. Okay, so students, don't read blah 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 blah. It is general equation of a straight line. See, the word is hiding here. It is general equations of a straight line. So we'll start with the general equations of straight line. So let's start with general equations. So the first general equation form is, as I told you earlier, equation of a straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers or real constants. Okay, so the very first equation form of a straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then second general equation is slope intercept form. So slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, where this m is a slope. Okay, m is a slope and c is a constant. So in general equation form, the equation will be y is equal to minus a upon b into x minus c upon b, where m is equal to minus a upon b and c is equal to minus c upon b. Okay, so in equation form we can write this as minus a upon b x minus c upon b. Okay, this is the general equation, and this equation is slope intercept form. We can also write this as y is equal to mx plus c, where m is a slope of a line. If slope of a line is given and constant is given, then y is equal to mx plus c. Now intercept form. So intercept form means x-intercept and y-intercept is given. If we know the x-intercept and y-intercept, suppose this is the line. This line cuts the x-axis at A and y-axis at B, right? So x-intercept of a line is A and y-intercept of a line is B. In that case, equation of a line will be x upon A plus y upon B, that is equal to 1. This equation, x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. This can be generalized as x upon minus A upon B plus y upon minus c upon B, that is equal to 1. Okay, where x-intercept is minus a upon b and y-intercept is minus c upon b. Okay, so this is the general form. For simple in simple terms we can find this as, suppose this is the line L1 and this intercept is A, this intercept is B, then we can say that slope intercept form is intercept form is x upon x-intercept, means x upon A plus y upon y-intercept, y-intercept is B, that is equal to 1. Okay, so this one is intercept form. Then fourth one is normal form. Normal form, as we know that sometimes we can represent the point in polar form. So for that, in that case, the equation of a line will be represented as x into cos omega plus y into sin omega, that is equal to p. The equation in the general form will be a upon a square plus b square raised to half. Raised to half means root. Okay, so this one is like this: a upon under root of a square plus b square, okay, x, plus b upon under root of a square plus b square into y, that is equal to c upon a square plus b square, okay, where cos omega is plus or minus, it may be anything, plus or minus a upon a square plus b square raised to half. This raised to half means root, okay. If I am saying 2 raised to half, so 2 raised to half means root of 2, okay. So a divided by a square plus b square raised to half, that means a upon root of a square plus b square. Similarly, sin omega will be plus minus b upon a square plus b square raised to half. Then c, constant term will be c upon a square plus b square raised to half, okay. So class, once again, there are 3 general forms. First is ax, first one is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, okay. This is the first form of equation. So in general, equation of a line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then second is slope intercept form. So slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c, okay. If slope is given and one intercept, y intercept is given, then equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c, okay. Like this, if line is passing through here, we know this point is suppose c and slope of a line is suppose m. In that case, slope of a line will be y is equal to mx plus c, okay, where m is a slope and c is a y intercept, okay. So slope is given and y intercept is given, therefore equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c, okay. Then third one is intercept form. So in intercept form, x intercept is given, x intercept is suppose a, then y intercept is given, suppose y intercept is b, okay. Then x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. This is the equation of a line, okay. If both the intercepts are given, means like this point is a, this point is b, okay. X intercept is a, y intercept is b, then equation of line will be x upon a plus y upon b. Then last one is normal form. So normal form is x into cos omega plus y into sin omega equal to p, okay. So with this I am concluding this video. In next lecture we can see some more equations of a line. So thank you students.